Good morning everyone. Today let's try naman Taglish wherein we speak Tagalog and English. Sobrang dami kasi nating followers from abroad. Every time we make Tagalog version, they ask for the English version. Ang hirap. So our topic for today is again sweet potato or kamote leaves in Tagalog in the Philippines. Ang variety nga pala na gamit ko is Tai Nong 71 from Taiwan. Galing to kay Calito Esguera, another friend farmer. Ito yung ginagamit na pangkain yung sa mga ulam, in the Chinese restaurant, and I believe these are also exported back to Taiwan. The advantage of sweet potato leaves is to provide enough energy and protein for optimal growth sa mga ibon. In the wet market of the Philippines, it's already 10 to 15 pesos. So ang laki na ng tipid namin. So what are you waiting for? Plant kamote now! Please like and share this video so we can all learn together. Till the next video, happy birding everyone!